Hi my friends, I have a recipe here for lavender body butter. I'll read you the ingredients. You need a quarter cup 60 milliliter of cocoa butter, 3 tablespoons 45 milliliter of sweet almond oil, 1 teaspoon 5 milliliter of vegetable glycerin, and 50 drops of lavender essential oils. I meant oil. How beautifully fragrant that will be. Directions: in a saucepan over low heat, melt cocoa butter. Remove from heat and stir in sweet almond oil, vegetable glycerin and lavender essential oil. Transfer mixture to a mixing bowl, set in an ice water bath. Whip mixture as it sets up into a cream. Remove cream from ice water bath and scoop into a jar or tin. To use, apply desired amount to skin as a cream. Tip: replace 25 drops of the lavender essential oil with 25 drops cassia. Wow, I do not know exactly how to say it. Cassia Vanilla Precious Essentials to create a sweet vanilla aroma. I hope you enjoyed another video from me today. Maybe someday I have time to make it. Right now I'm making a lot of videos, and it sounds good, doesn't it? Yeah. Till next time. Bye bye.